definitely something you have to eat with your hands. Am I the only foreigner here? Wow. Picked up my baggage, clear customs, and I exchanged $20 into 1480 rupee, which is a rate of 74. I know it's not the best, but I just needed to get the minimum amount of rupee to get me into the city. Let me exit the airport and find the metro to take me into the city center. It's about 96 degrees, very humid. Here's the Delhi Metro airport station. You just come out of the arrival. This is the cheapest and the fastest way to get into the city center. It says ticket counter is after security check-in point. There are many signs in English, which is great for tourists. I got a ticket to New Delhi Metro station. From there, I use this token to transfer. Well-marked signs in English, pretty easy to navigate, and people speak English for the most part. Very friendly. This is yellow line. I'm going to India Tourism Office. So I'm only one stop away from New Delhi station. Going to gate number 6. No problem exiting. I'm at the official India Tourism Office. I'm at the rail reservation center. This last window is for tourists or foreigners only. I came to this Saravana Bhavan, which is a South Indian vegetarian restaurant. This is a highly rated restaurant in this area. One person. This is mango juice, 152 rupee. I ordered the most popular dish at this restaurant. It's called Ghee paper roast masala. Potatoes in the bottom. Definitely something you have to eat with your hands. It's 8:06 p.m. I just arrived at the Old Delhi railway station.
We wish you a pleasant, successful and prosperous journey. Thank you.
It's a little chaotic, but I expected this. Okay, let me go inside. The security guard told me the train is delayed by 2 hours, but it's at platform 5. Okay. Platform 5. I'm at platform 5. Alright, am I the only foreigner here? Wow. I don't see any other foreigner in this train station. Here comes train 12311, which will take me to Kalka. Excuse me, excuse me.
सेम डेट सेम तारीख को कैसे हो सकेगा वो
27?
या तो कम यार one seat is there
No, it's that one.
it's your seat
That's mine.
yeah okay क्या हुआ ये किसके आगे था इनका सीट
Alright, I'm on the upper berth. It looks like this up here. Okay, not bad, not bad. The bathroom looks like this. There's no water in the sink. There's no water in the sink outside either.